What's up everyone? 66% of internet users use Google Chrome to browse the internet. In this video, I'm going to share 6 Google Chrome features that are pretty useful. So without further ado, let's get started. You can control media playback while browsing another tab. To do that, click on Media Control at top right corner. You can pause, go to next song or video, or click on the card to go back to the tab where the song or video plays. Click on this icon to view the video while browsing on other tabs. To create a shortcut, click on Control menu on top right corner. Then go to More Tools and click Create Shortcut. You can name the shortcut here. Click OK and Chrome will create a shortcut of this website on your desktop. You can directly open this website in Chrome just by double-clicking it. If there are several tabs open in your browser and you want to move multiple tabs at once, press Ctrl and click on tabs you want to move. You can also pull out selected tabs to move them to a new browser window. This trick comes handy when you're looking to clean up your browser tabs. Google Dictionary is a very useful Chrome extension to look up word definitions. You can install it from Chrome Web Store. To use it, you just need to select a word and Chrome will show you meaning of that word. Let's talk about some of the Chrome shortcuts that I regularly use and it saves me a lot of time. Pressing Alt-D or F6 will take you directly to the address bar. To open a new tab, press Ctrl-T and Chrome will open a new tab and put cursor in address bar. If you want to close current tab, press Ctrl-W. And if you want to reopen the closed tab again, press Ctrl-Shift-T. So remember, Alt-D to access the address bar, Ctrl-T to open a new tab, Ctrl-W to close the current tab, and Ctrl-Shift-T to reopen closed tab. Start using these shortcuts and you will save yourself a lot of time and effort. To access Task Manager, go to Control menu, then More Tools and click Task Manager. Not only you can get a quick glimpse of how much resources the process is using, but you can also find out what processes are actually running and end those that are either out of control or unwanted. Share your views about this video in comments below. See you next time. Thanks for watching.